Hi children, let us learn to do multiplication using the number line. Yes, you like number line? It's a very easy method of learning multiplication on number line. Look carefully and enjoy the exercise. Yes, look here. Look at this beautiful number line. And the numbers from 0 to 20. What are we learning? We are learning multiplication on number line. The sum given to you is 4 into 5. What is 4 fives are? Or 4 into 5. How many times 4? 4, 5 times. Yes. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So you write 4 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 4 fives are? Let's look at the number line. Okay? Now, you start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Third, that is 1. Next, 4 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We jump to the 8. Next. Start from 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third. Next. One more time. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we have jumped on the number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. What is the product of 4 into 5? 4 fives are. Your answer is 20. And the number line says, here is your answer, 20. Did you enjoy the exercise? Learning multiplication using number line. Let's look at another sum. Look, what's given to you. What is 6 threes are? 6 into 3. So you write 6 3 times here. 6 plus 6 plus 6. So 6 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Alright? 6 plus 6 plus 6. 6 threes are. Now on the number line, you start from 0. One jump of 6. So we come to 6. That is 1. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another jump. You get into 12. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. And what's your answer here? 18. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. What is 6 threes are? 18. What is the product of 6 into 3? 6 threes are 18. Beautiful, isn't it? Did you enjoy the exercise? Let's look at another sum. Look what we have here. You are given what is 2 into 5. 2 fives are. 2 you write 5 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 5? 2 fives are? 2 fives are equal to 10. Now let's do it on the number line. Okay, from 0 to 2, one jump. 2, 1, 2. Good. Next, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good. What is your answer here? 10. 2 fives are equal to 10. Did you enjoy learning multiplication using number line? Isn't it very interesting? Let's look at another sum. Look what's given to you. 3 sevens are. 3 into 7. So you write 3 7 times. Okay? That is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is 3 into 7? 3 sevens are equal to 21. Let's work it out on the number line. From 0 you start. 1 jump, 3. Another jump, 1, 2, 3. Another jump, 1, 2, 3. Next, 1, 2, 3. Next, 1, 2, 3. Next, 1, 2, 3. And finally, 1, 2, 3. What's your answer? 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 threes. What is 7 threes? 3 sevens are 21. We jump 7 times 3. Yes? 3 sevens are 21. Did you enjoy the exercise? Look, let's look at another sum. You are given 5 into 3. What is 5 threes are? So you'll write 5 3 times. Okay? 5 into 3. 1, 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 into 3. What is 5 threes are? 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Let's work it out on the number line. So you're going to jump. Okay, 1, 2, 3 times. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Second jump, you come to 10. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You jump and you come to 15. So 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5. Your answer on the number line is 15. 5 into 3 gives you the answer 15. Did you enjoy? Good.